Good morning. We're waking up to Plumeria's went down with some really bad lightning and rain going on. I don't know if you can see it, but it's been pounding us for a little while now. Lost power a couple times. Hope there was some lightning. I just don't want to go outside right now. It's a little bit wet. A little bit. There's the lightning. More lightning. And it's coming down. Our Plumerias are down over there. Big one. But a couple of them looks like are down. Some really bad weather came in this morning. I don't know if you saw that lightning, but whew, it was a pretty big one. Got some serious weather coming in. The thunder and the lightning has been pretty good. Whew. It's just lost power a couple times. Good morning to our happy anniversary morning on 9/6/09 was the date, so 12 years today. Anniversary weekend got a little storm. Pretty good lightning though. I don't know if you could see that, but let's see if we can get another one. Let's wait for another one. Whoa, it was, I think I missed it, but it was a big one all the way to the ground. Alrighty then. Well, good morning, and we will see you in a little while for our anniversary cake and champagne, and maybe some breakfast before that. Alright, we're going to enjoy the storm indoors for a little while, and talk to you later. Bye.